Welcome to Pattaya, Thailand. Welcome to Pattaya. Look at this. We're gonna go live stream soon.
Wow.
But only on the German channel. But let me know in the comment section below. Should I live stream on this channel here? Would you want to see that? Do you want to see some live nightlife? Live nightlife?
Nightlife walking.
Yeah. We are here located at the Central Festival, Central Pattaya. And Central Pattaya is actually the first mall I ever been to. The first mall I ever been to in Thailand. And as you can see here, street food is not that cheap. Can you imagine? This is 120 baht for street food Pad Krapao, which is usually 60 baht. But maybe it's something special. Maybe it is. Maybe it's like a professional food truck. But here we're gonna go and walk through the mall and check out how nice it is right now there. The usual festivals or any kind of party things like the month of Oktoberfest, they have it here. Christmas parties, they have it here. Some kind of fairs. They even have a massage place here. McDonald's, Starbucks.
Oh, do you really know what I'm missing from McDonald's?
What?
The milkshake.
Oh.
They disappeared. They never said something. It disappeared.
Dude, this super cheesy chicken burger looks good. Look at this. It's cheese sauce with a chicken and cheese. Dude, that looks great.
264.
Double cheesy beef. But it's 305 baht. It's kind of a lot. It's like $8 at least.
Yeah.
So here's also
Food court?
food court, yes. So you have to buy it over there somewhere. Not here, yeah, here. Here you will buy it, or you buy it downstairs, all the way there in the food court. Pretty good prices, but not as good as Terminal 21. Just to give you an idea why this is way more expensive. So do you remember in Terminal 21 today, our coconut was 49 and here it's 80. Woo! But it's a little bit bigger maybe? Or
No,
what do you think?
no,
It's the same, right?
I would say it's the same.
So it's definitely a different price. It's so weird how cheap Terminal 21 is, right? It's insane.
Which one is newer?
Terminal 21.
Okay.
They built it 2019 in November.
Big variation.
Bakery. Yeah. It's also bread talk, right? Yeah. Bread talk.
Oh.
They have lots of restaurants. They either way have restaurants here downstairs or all the way upstairs. Gogi. This is your type of
Oh, yeah.
picanha. Look at this.
Oh.
200 grams for 450. It's like 12 euro, 13 bucks.
Yeah. Yeah.
Grilled beef tongue.
Did you ever have a tongue?
No, maybe, but I'm not sure.
Oh, it's a German word. Der Mond.
Der Mond, yes.
La Luna. The moon.
Der Mond. Oh, wow. What are you? Spanish?
Multi-language.
All right, all right. I forgot. Marcus is actually Mexican.
Yeah, it's true.
Oh, look at this. This is with shrimps. Oh. Shrimp dumpling. L 100, but how many is that? I think I tried out these ones once. Oh, it's just like ban kun. Oh, okay, okay. I think I have to try. Oh, Marcus, you want to have a juice?
I would like to have one. Let's buy one.
It's
no?
pomegranate juice.
And this is, I would like to have this one.
Okay, I
But-
take the other one then.
Yeah? One question. Is sugar or no sugar?
No sugar.
No sugar? One, please.
Oh, actually, I take the orange.
One,
Okay,
one,
no.
one.
No, one.
Open.
Yeah, open. Okay, thank you.
Quanta cuesta?
160. 160.
160. Hallelujah. So, 1, 2, 3. 1.
Yeah, 80.
Oh, thank you. Are you still filming?
All right. So it's 80 baht per one?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
That's actually expensive, huh?
Yes. But sometimes you get.
How much is
you
fresh
get a
juice
view.
in how much is fresh juice in Da Nang? Way cheaper, huh? But we are in the mall now right now, so
No, I remember. It's 25,000. It's $1. You know this one place, the yellow one.
it's very juicy. But I think if you go to a local market, I can do actually a lot. You can get all the kind of chicken sticks, the sushi. I'm actually down for that. 10 baht a piece. Looks very good.
But it's refreshing.
It tastes phenomenal.
Yeah.
I have to say that. How much is a sugarcane juice? You know they don't have any prices there? It's kind of crazy.
Maybe they have two prices. One for tourists and one for us, for the other ones.
How much is one sugarcane juice? How much? 80? Jesus.
Same price.
So how much is our sugarcane juice in Vietnam?
Oh, I don't
50 cents. And here it's 250. That's wild. I know a sugarcane juice, it's always 10,000 or 15,000 max. But to be fair, we are in the mall, right? We are not in a local store here. So you cannot really compare it. And this smells so good here. But look at this $10 burger. This is an Aussie burger.
Oi,
With- You see that?
Yeah.
The
What is
beetroot.
this?
The beetroot.
Oh, it's so delicious.
It's lamb cutlets. Oh yeah. I know some Aussie things nowadays. I actually am excited to go to Australia.
Yeah, unfortunately we missed the Sunday roast.
Yes, I'm so sad. And here you can buy the Dubai chocolate. But it's 490. 490. How much is 490? That's like 15 bucks for a piece of chocolate. But here you can buy cheese, guys.
Oh,
How much does a cheese cost? A brie. This is
100
169 for 100 gram only. That's kind of crazy.
wow.
Okay.
364 for this one. I guess it's
This
the whole
year
thing.
is $10.
$10.
Euro. How much? This
Oh,
is
euros,
this is
exactly,
not more than €3 in Germany.
Nah.
Not more at all.
Let's say 4.
Max. Okay.
Maybe it's more.
Hey Marcus, we got robbed. Look at this, 39 baht. But this
Yes.
is a supermarket, right?
Yes.
Oh no, here 59 baht. We're getting robbed a lot here at the moment.
Because
But it's okay.
Yeah.
We're actually filming, so it's not like we are on budgeting
Yeah.
out. For us, if you make YouTube videos and you get scammed or something and you film it, it's not really a scam. It's a win anyway. So.
For whom?
I really don't care.
For whom?
Like on our German channel, we overpaid for the taxi. I know that, but it was last minute, and it was like a little giggle and fun with the taxi driver. Actually, he saluted to us, so he got our heart immediately. Marcus always finds the trash.
And also the views.
Oh, okay, Marcus. Oh, yeah. So we're here, right, coming out at the Somerset Hotel. I'm really wondering how this Somerset Hotel is. And this here does not feel good. Feels like it's broken somehow.
Yeah.
Oh, we're too heavy?
Yeah, I would say the second one. But, yeah.
Look at this. That's insane. Look at this. This is a this is a real crocodile, guys. This is a real crocodile. Oh man. Imagine that like crocodiles thinking like, okay, we are scary people, you know. And then they're getting into a dress and eaten. All right, we're on the second road right now. This is the normal public transport here. We're gonna let Marcus walk in front of us and see how often he gets called a handsome man.
Yeah, that's a good start.
They also have a new market there. We're on second road right now. We're gonna take a stroll back to the hotel. It smells like weed everywhere. Here you can get driving licenses for 5,000.
So nobody called me handsome.
I'm so sorry.
This is depressing.
I'm so sorry. You're a handsome man, Marcus. Handsome man, handsome man.
Indian Google Pay करना है Thailand लेना है
Now you're getting called. Did he get called handsome man now?
No.
I think yes. I think I heard it.
Yeah. Then you heard it just to tell me, so I'm not depressed. So, this is a store you recommended me or no?
No, it's a little bit further
Okay.
in the back, but it's very good. There are some very good massage places that are proper massage places. This is Soy 7. A good friend here has 3 bars or 5 bars now there. I should visit him soon. It's crazy. Everywhere you walk, you smell the broccoli, the green. Feels like if you walk around here too much, you're getting high.
Yeah, but then it's for free.
Yeah, you're so German, Marcus. So here, this is a very famous intersection where the police are always standing and pulling out foreigners and ticketing them. But now no one is here. It's the police checkpoint. But yeah, I think this is Pattaya Klang. This is the beach over there. We just did a little bit of a stroll around. And don't forget to check out this video about Pattaya and see you on the next walk.